Want to know how to stretch out a video or just enable multi-view stretch in Reolink? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Reolink application. So we have also created a video on how to install it, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you've done that, here on the bottom right side, you should be seeing this Me icon. Just simply select. And now once you've selected that, just simply head towards settings. That should be right below user feedback. Now once you have selected settings, here you should be seeing multi-view stretch. So this basically stretches the video to full view, whether it's a live or a screen recording. So this is a really useful feature, and if you want to enable it, just simply select enable right here and you're good to go. So your settings should be automatically saved, and if it isn't, simply restart your device or your application launch. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.